That's right.
All of your time spent keeps us